Hey guys, good morning. Let me turn around so you can see me a little bit better. This is a typical morning how we start. We get up, we get ready, get the cable ready, and they get the trucks going. Let me move out the way to see if we. This is what we use. We use a big boom. We nickname her Big Bird because when she's on the highway, she looks like she's flying with the boom on top. So her name is Big Bird. She's an old truck, but we get together and we get everything ready. There are the guys coming around. See, we come around this way, but this is the way everything goes. Our day to day. I'll do some more videos. Okay, thanks.